Oh, hello guys! First of all, I want to say thank you for your productive work and the feedback y'all sharing with me. That energy is pushing me forward to create more videos for my channel, to provide more signals and live with a smile on my face. Happy that we already built a community of 13,000. Oh my god, 13,000 people who are hungry for success. And you know what? It's your time to shine. So that is just a small part of the feedback that I got from the people.
Hey Jenny, hello. I genuinely want to say thank you very much for the signals you dropped on this group this morning. As you can see, I took all the signals and I'm all green here.
Your support, teaching, and follow-up has allowed me to achieve all the results I'm waiting for.
Jenny just gives you this confidence and belief, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of my journey with her.
For me, you are the best mentor for the binary trading option.
She taught me everything that I should know.
Just the other day I made $3,000 with you, so her signals are incredible. Please trust her and you will succeed. Thank you so much.
And we back in the lab. I want to say again that I really appreciate your support. Our work is going just brilliant. And today I want to make a big announcement, especially for my students. I developed a full trading book that will tell you all of the aspects of trading that I know myself. So I have invested much effort and time in this project, where I try to describe all of the points of trading in the simplest and the most accessible way. And I think I did it pretty well. Let's break down the couple of points from the book and we'll see how to put them into practice. The book starts with the basics of trading. So here you can find some answers on some questions like what is trading about and what to pay attention to have a clear view of the market movements. See a raising of the candles like on the screenshot. Then it goes the reflection of the resistance line, and then it goes a breakout. Confirm. The simplest words, it's just the what is trading about and what we should do to earn in it. Then we continue to sink into it, learn which patterns exist, check them on the real market, and choose those ones which are working for us. In the beginning, I recommend to pay attention to a double top pattern. It works reliably and it's easy to detect. So you draw a support and resistance lines like that, watch the pattern, and then make a move. You see, reliably. To read patterns, you of course should know which candlestick is needed to be put. So there are some candlesticks that fit different strategies. In the beginning, I recommend to use 15-second candles and use 1 minute time per trade to trade more dynamically and learn the way faster. Also, I would like to pay attention to the market volatility. If you see a really unstable example of the market, like candles moving unpredictably, like on this currency pair, I highly recommend you to avoid trading because it will be just a waste of your nerves and your time. You see, that trading material contains lots of useful information and the blueprint to success itself. But what is the main plus of this stuff? You can always write me and I will explain you directly.